Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tax document downloads from Coinbase step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Taxes tab. Now, you will see options related to tax documents. Look for the section labeled Tax Documents. Within this section, you will find options for downloading tax documents. Choose the applicable tax year for which you need the documents. After selecting the year, click on the Download button next to the document type you need. The system will generate a downloadable PDF file for you. Once the file is ready, it will automatically begin downloading to your device. Locate the downloaded PDF in your Downloads folder or specified directory. Open the PDF file to review your tax information. Make sure all the details are accurate and complete. If needed, save the file in a safe location for your records. You have now successfully configured and downloaded your tax documents from Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.